someone a parent? That's the big question one man in the state of Kansas are fighting over tonight. New at 10, Garrett Hake is live in Topeka, where a man donated sperm to a couple years ago, and now the state has ordered him to pay child support.
Well, Will Marotta told me he never meant to become a father. He just wanted to help a same-sex couple have a child of their own. But now he's become embroiled in a legal case, drawing national attention for what it says about who exactly is a parent. For Topeka factory worker William Marotta, there is no debate. He's a donor, not a father.
I'm a sperm donor. Other than that, I have nothing to do with being a parent or anything else.
Marotta answered a Craigslist ad for a sperm donor back in 2009. He signed a contract with the two women asking for help having a child that specified he would not be involved in the child's life and wouldn't be liable for expenses or child support.
I had a little plastic cup and a brown paper sack. I walked up to their front door. Angie opened the door, handed her the sack, and I left.
The two women had a healthy baby girl, and Marotta thought his part was over.
2-3 years later, I get a call, or a letter rather, from the Department of Child Services that say, please call us, you have a problem.
The women had split up, and when the birth mother applied for state benefits, Kansas asked, who is the father, and why isn't he paying child support? The state said normal protections for sperm donors were void because the couple hadn't used a physician to complete the process, leaving Marotta on the hook for thousands of dollars in expenses.
I didn't sign on for that. I'm not the parent. I didn't sign on to be a parent. I signed on to be a sperm donor. That's it.
On Wednesday, a Shawnee County judge disagreed and said the law is clear. Without a physician involved, Marotta is legally the father.
Do you think your story might have a chilling effect on other people who would want to come forward and be donors who now might say, wait a minute?
I know that there are people out there that said, well, you know, I would have considered it, but not now.
Marotta told us he sees the court's decision as a political one in a state that does not recognize same-sex unions, something Kansas officials flatly denied to us today. Marotta plans to appeal the court's decision, and so this conversation will certainly continue. We'll keep you posted.